6.8 pH, which is usually good to grow, and it's all organic out of our own worm compost, so all of it is healthy for the food we grow.
Hi, I'm Olivia. These are the worm castings and we use it for fertilizer, and it looks like black coal. So this is where we get all our mulch from, and we use it in the garden and we use it for pathways, and we use these, which are pitchforks, and we have 8 pipe ones and 10 pipe ones, and pipes are these little things right here, and this is a 10 pike pitchfork, and what we do is we use the pitchfork to shovel the mulch into a wheelbarrow, then we take it in that little path over there and we spread it out in between each row of plants.
I'm Allison. This is organic compost, and it's very nutritious and helps a lot of our plants grow. It is tested by the University of Florida, and a lot of our plants grow and we get a lot of visitors.
Hi, my name is Jordan. In this garden, we grow many types of lettuces. First off, we grow Amir, Magenta, Nevada, and Cherokee. All the salads that we grow, we harvest, and it goes to our salad bar. Whatever is not used goes to the soup kitchen.
We had to rake the raised bed so we can plant other plants.
Hi, I'm John. I go to Trafalgar Middle.
Hi, I'm Kaylin. I go to Trafalgar Middle. Hi, I'm Danielle. I go to Trafalgar Middle.
Hi, I'm Jack, and I go to Trafalgar Middle.
We're all in 7th grade, and this is our gardening class.
What are you guys doing right now?
We're doing pallet gardens.
We are doing pallet gardens.
Yeah.
Can you explain to me what you're doing?
Well,
So we're pretty much just getting all these ready, putting dirt in. We already have a couple herbs over here growing. We're getting 2 others ready. We got some lemongrass over here.
Pallet gardens. We staple the cloth on one side, and we make pockets with the cloth on the other side, the fence, and it would be a stand-up pallet garden.
Hi, my name is Jaden. I work in the hydroponics section. What you normally see in the hydroponics section would be normal plants and mostly vegetables. Sometimes you might see fruits here and there. But mainly what you would probably see with the peppers is they're mainly grown on poles. We do this so they stay straight, so that they don't bend down and not touch the floor, so that worms or any other insects start to eat them.